The 1984 US Supreme Court ruling in Sony Corp versus Universal City Studios was a victory for innovation. However, the ruling left many questions concerning how copyright laws might evolve to accommodate new technologies unanswered. Now, a copyright dilemma is being fueled by generative AI and the law isn't updated. Take a look at this next report as we delve deeper into the issue.
In the mid-1970s, Sony launched the Betamax video recorder, enabling customers to record television programs for later viewing. The technology, albeit groundbreaking, incited criticism. Universal Studios filed a lawsuit against Sony. The firm asserted that the recording of television programs, even for personal use, is a copyright violation. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Sony. The court determined that the time-shifting function has significant non-infringing applications. Therefore, the top court ruled safeguarding it under the fair use concept. This pivotal ruling represented a triumph for innovation. However, it raised unresolved questions over the adaptation of copyright law to emerging technology. Currently, a comparable conflict is playing out with the emergence of generative artificial intelligence models. Courts globally are already confronting a pivotal inquiry. Does the fair use doctrine remain applicable in the age of AI, or should it change? There are several lawsuits currently questioning the fair use ruling. Here are a few of the lawsuits currently in courts. New York Times versus OpenAI in the US, Getty Images versus Stability AI in the UK, ANI versus OpenAI in India, Authors and Artists versus AI. The limits of fair use, a theory that aims to allow limited use of copyrighted material for critical, educational and research purposes, are being examined by courts in India, the UK and the US. Fair use, the cornerstone of copyright law, is based on 4 criteria: the purpose of usage, the nature of the work, the quantity utilized, and the effect on the market. Courts have historically construed this approach to accommodate emerging technology. Implementing this notion in AI is considerably more intricate. AI businesses contend that their models produce novel outputs instead of replicating original works, therefore rendering them transformative. Critics argue that these methods frequently compete directly with original material, resulting in economic losses. The implications of these legal disputes reach much beyond singular cases. Similar to the Betamax controversy, GenAI prompts inquiries on the equilibrium between innovation and intellectual property rights. Contemporary copyright law frequently proves inadequate in the context of global technology such as AI. The lessons of the past apply to new tech today too. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.